As we all know, the fight against global warming will be the greatest challenge of the coming decades for our planet, for us. At EDF, our ambitions are clear: to reach carbon neutrality by 2050 and help our customers accelerate their energy transition. That's why we assist them all over the world, nationwide and in rural and urban areas, in the development of their low-carbon energy production assets. Starting with renewable energies, thanks to the development of our projects in solar, wind, and hydro, we will reach a net capacity of 25 to 30 gigawatts by 2030. Almost 2 gigawatts net will come from hydroelectric power. We are one of the world leaders in this field. Experts in project development, power plant construction and operation, and engineering services, and we always work in full respect of local populations and biodiversity. Nuclear power is also a response to climate emergency. As a world leader with one of the largest nuclear power plants fleet, we have developed expertise across the entire life cycle of our plants. We ensure design, construction, operation, supply and replacement of fuel and equipment, waste management and decommissioning of the plants. Our range of reactors can meet the various needs of low-carbon energy production, with the EPR and EPR 1200 for large and medium power and a modular New small power plant. Low-carbon thermal power plants such as those fueled by gas or biomass can provide complementary guaranteed power required in countries where the energy transition foresees the massive introduction of renewables to exit carbon. We also export our international engineering expertise in different fields, such as energy efficiency services and transmission and distribution networks. In the state of Bihar in India, we are installing 5 million smart meters, which allow customers for a better use of energy and its savings. We are developing new businesses such as microgrids and off-grid solar kits, which give access to electricity to rural and remote populations. Our goal is to become the main player in the low-carbon electrification of emerging nations. We also have strong ambitions in electricity storage, low-carbon hydrogen production, self-consumption, low-carbon real estate, and electric mobility. Our ambition is to triple our international business in 2030 compared to 2015 by limiting our environmental and social impact while encouraging local partnerships. This is how we work every day, building a carbon-neutral energy future and reconciling the preservation of the planet, well-being and development for all, everywhere.